Ooh. Wait. SOJU, IRENE, Tilt MV. I'm probably not gonna check out their album on stream. I'm probably gonna check it out on Patreon off stream. But here's to SOJU and IRENE. I mean, I've seen the teasers, and I think I need this. That was a lot. I didn't expect that much. I'm gonna put this down. All right, Red Velvet, IRENE, SOJU, Tilt. Let's go. Wait, what? They serving so fast? Oh, why they glistening? Why they wet? Pause. That's weird. Okay, SOJU. Oh, oh. Okay. Serving. Whoa. Damn, that what is that? Came out of nowhere. That part. Are they in a tanning booth? What the hell was that? Oh, the piano. Ooh. Hey. Bro, every time they come out with some shit, like My Little Monster, bro, fire. The B-sides are fire. The outfits too. Ooh, the visuals, the angles, my fucking god. Bro. Wait. I looked away for a second and then I saw that at the corner of my eye. Ooh. Look at they serving. Oh, the multiple versions of them. Damn. Ooh, that long ponytail be serving though too. It's a paid actor. Why is she in the water? Oh, you better save her. Okay. Hey. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, you popped off on the visuals, SM. Editing here. Why they look like they just like, is that yin and yang? What is that? What will we replay? Hold up 1 second. Let me look at this again. 1 second. From the beginning. First of all, the visual, the nails, what the hell? The ponytail, paid actress. This is definitely not them all glistening. This is definitely animation or AI editing. I'm not sure. I don't think it's AI editing, but oh, I just realized that this scene of like people coming through like a rubber or like type of shit, like balloon-esque. Oh, bro, she's serving the short hair too. That move right there got me. The twist. Shout out to the dancers too. She look good. SOJU. Bro, you serving in a tanning booth. A red tanning booth. With no tan. I know, they stay away from the sun. Oh, what is that? It catches me off guard too. It's fire. Drag hedging in to see this. The synth. That shit, I thought it was Chunga. I could see that. But no, that catches me by surprise because it's louder than the whole instrumental. No. Oh, I can't predict it. Fuck. Might be because I'm tipsy. Cool. It gets my attention so hard. Nice breakdown. Oh, her nails too. Goddamn. Oh, they serving. Goddamn it. The mirror, the glass scene. And then the breakdown. Shout out to all the choreographers too. They killed that. The little. So far, every time the subunit comes out of Red Velvet, they eat. Each time. Can't see anything that's like subpar or whatever. That's crazy. The effects of like the camera movement. I mean, I know how to do it, but it looks so good. Bro, Irene serves, but goddamn, SOJU just been serving this whole MV too. Just a stare down, which is crazy to me. Woo! Wait, hold on, they grabbing the necks and shit. Look at that, they so forceful, goddamn. They're like in there. Miss Ma'am. Push me too hard, I'll tilt. The synth is fire. It's on half beat, it's so good. I don't know what Hedgen doing, but she should be watching this too. Low key, if they had a feature with Chunga, that'd be kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very curious about their album now, their mini album. After this, as the title track, I'm expecting the B-sides to be eaten the same way too, just like last time. Okay, I mean, this is what I expected from SOJU and IRENE, bro. IRENE and SOJU, like, based off like, and I'm a fan of. I'm just be out there. I'm a fan of Red Velvet in general, but IRENE, SOJU, last time they came out with like an album or just a comeback or just like debut, whatever you want to call it, the subunit, they ate and they ate again. They ate again, and I love the symbol I and S look like a Louis Vuitton symbol. I can't even talk. Do they have like a... Oh, this is the one with Julie, right? Little... So it's more upbeat. Oh, hold up, Irresistible? Hey! Hold up, it's Irresistible be that bitch? Hold up, wait, Irresistible is... Let me hear this. Okay, Ian. All right, what's next? Woo. Ooh. Hey, I'm gonna have to check this out later. Haven. Ooh. Oh, what else? Tilt. All from Jam Factory, I see. JoBus is a company that used to have Dean. Ah, that's right. So they worked a lot. They worked heavy on this album, it seems like. Let me hear this. Who worked on Irresistible? So JoBus worked on the other one, which is What's Your Problem, featuring Julie from Kiss of Life. Oh, they didn't really say who worked on Irresistible. I don't know why that got me hit different. Obviously, this is like a... What is this called? Like a compilation? Girl Next Door is interesting too. Very dramatic. I like it. What else? Trampoline sound good too. JoBus. I love these visuals. Heaven. Sounds good too. Yes, be sure to check out my Patreon for the album reaction coming out soon, probably early next week. And then Tilt. Pretty good. Pretty fire. I'm excited. I'm excited to check out the album later off stream. It'll be on my Patreon. Be sure to check out my Patreon if you haven't already. It'll be out free on my Patreon, guys. You don't know. You can follow for free. I post free stuff too, but you can check out other things and support your boy for $1. It's all good. All right.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.